Hi, I am Nishant from Prestige. Now I'm going to show you the sample flat of a 2 BHK, which is 1216 square feet super built up area. See, this is the main door what we have provided in the flat. It's not only the sample flat, even in the actual flat we are using the same height of doors, which is going to be an 8 feet height door. See, that's the entrance foyer area. That's the foyer area. Then you come to the living room. This is how they have used an L-shaped sofa set. You get a window over there. This wall they have used this as a TV cabinet wall. Now that area is your dining area. They have used a 4-seater dining table over there, but if you want you can put up a 6-seater dining table as well. There is ample amount of space to keep that. So you get this corner maybe you can utilize it in this fashion, or if you want to make it as a puja section you can make it in that way. This side you get one balcony. So in this 2 BHK basically you get one window and you get one balcony in the living room. I'm showing you the other side of the living room. You can see how lengthy it is, how much broad it is. All those things you can visualize from this side. Now let us go to the balcony area. So this is the width of the balcony. You can see the railings from here, how they have used the railings. Even though it is a tall, high skyscraper buildings, but in terms of the safety, they have used a decent height for the railings. In some flats, you will find the full height of iron railings, and in some flats, you will find this kind of brick wall. Then, on top of that, you will get this kind of railings. Even a small child or an adult, if they are standing in the balcony, they will not feel afraid of being over there. Now we'll go to the kitchen area. Unfortunately, there is only one light which is working right now in the kitchen. See, even in 2 BHK flat, if you see, we have provided all the fittings which are required in nowadays modern families. Inbuilt oven, microwave, L-shaped granite platform, dado tiles above the platform. We are providing you complete L-shaped granite platform along with that sink and taps being used. In the sample flat, they have shown all these modular cabinets below the platform and even on top of the platform. There is space for chimney provision. This is going to be a window over there, and that corner is going to be used as a utility area where you can keep your refrigerator, a washing machine, or maybe if you have a dishwasher you can get it installed under this platform, or you can even put up your washing machine, which is like a front loading washing machine, under the platform. Then you will get even more space in this utility section area. Now let us go to the first bedroom, which is going to be a kid's bedroom, or if you are staying with your parents then it could be used for parents. All bright colors they have used here, and all lovely characters, the favorite ones. I hope if your kid would be seeing this video, definitely they would like to be in this bedroom. Now you can see the other side of the bed. They have used a permanent slate board over here. So even your child grows, if they want to scribble on this board, they can use it. It's quite spacious. If you remove that stool from the corner, you can put up a proper double bed here. And you have already got one wardrobe to keep the stuff of your kids here. Now this is the common washroom here with the fittings of Jaguar and Perrier. You get one wash basin on the other side. In the center you get the pot, and then on the right hand side you get this bathing space. You can see the tiles what we have used, and there will be full height tiles. On top of that you get a false ceiling, space for lights, and on top of the false ceiling you will get the inbuilt geysers provided by Prestige. Now, before going into the master bedroom, I'll just show you from outside how much area you get it before entering into the master bedroom. You get 3 tiles like this. Each tile is 2.5 feet by 2.5 feet, so you can count it like this. And then this is the master bedroom main door. This is the small foyer space, so that it gives you a little bit of privacy before coming into the bed area. Now you see, this is the master bedroom of a 2 BHK. It's so spacious. And very thoughtfully designed. Even the positioning of the bed, the size of the bed, all those things are appropriate as per the size of the bedroom. You can see the aerial view of this bedroom from here. There is a window over here. You can see the height of the window. On top of that, we have used a split AC, and below that you get a window. This window is basically made up of UPVC door shutters. There are 3 tracks over here. In case if you want to install your mesh, you can install that as well later on. I'll show you the bedroom from the other corner also. You can see how you will keep your TV in front of your bed. That's the wardrobe, sliding wardrobe. You don't even need a mirror or a dressing table if you provide this kind of mirror on your wardrobe. Then this is your washroom, which is attached with the master bedroom. Except this vanity counter, all the sanitary fittings remains the same. The showers, the taps, the health faucet, and even this mirror, we are not providing this mirror. On top of that you get the false ceiling and the inbuilt geysers on top of that. Now I'll show you the living room from the other corner. See, Now I'm exiting from the master bedroom. You see on the right hand side there is a common washroom. On the left hand side you get your kids bedroom. Then this is your dining area. You can see the floor tiles from here. You get this corner like this in the dining. You get this balcony. From here also you can see the TV like this. Now I'll exit from here. I hope you would have liked the sample flat of 2 BHK of Prestige Lakeside Habitat. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you so much.